Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. My name is Séverine and I am your French teacher. I'm here to help you learn French and make the most of your travel when you go to France. And if you're not traveling to France, you are welcome to listen and learn French. Today, a very short episode with one sentence only: how to ask for help in French. As usual, feel free to subscribe and go to my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi, for more content. And I also have a website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, where you'll find most of the transcripts of the episode. Okay, so I will be right back after this short break. Alright, so how we want to say in French a question such as, can you help me? There isn't, in French one or two ways to ask questions. Actually, we have many ways. So here's what you can do or say. Est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider? Est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider? Est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider? That will be the easiest way to ask for help. French people will understand that question. Now, if you have time, I'll explain to you the grammar of this question. Est-ce que means in French is this that. Of course, nobody translate is this that. Just say est-ce que when you need to turn a statement into a yes/no question. By putting est-ce que at the beginning, you will turn a French statement into a yes/no question. Vous pouvez. Vous pouvez means are you able here in this case. Vous, because you have to be formal in French. When you don't know someone, you say vous. Pouvez, because each French verbs will have a different ending for each subject. What do I mean? I mean that if you say I or you or we or they, the verb will be different. So, est-ce que vous pouvez? And then the me is me. In French, we don't say, can you help me? We say, can you me help? And then the word aider means to help. Est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider? Please remember and try to memorize because you never know when you might need help. Est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider? Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. This is the end of this episode. Very short. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe and share my podcast. And of course, feel free to reach out for any comments that you might have. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.